Hey everybody, how y'all doing?
I want to thank you.
Wow.
I dedicate this song to you.
Well, today I am going to be bringing you just a quick review on a package that I bought. It's a nail kit that I got off of Wish, and I think it's really cool. It's reasonable, it was cheap. So we're just basically going to be doing the unboxing of it. Here it is. And time to see how it goes. Now, lately I've been doing my nails and I've been loving it. Every time I do my nails, I just fall in love. So instead of me actually not paying to get it done, I do it myself. And I just thought it was just an easy way to save some money. Why not? So let's take a look. In this package that they gave me, I ordered it about a couple days ago. Start off, they have a pack of nails, which is cool, ranging from 1 through 9. So I would definitely be using these. In the box, they also give us different colors. So with all of these cute gels and these cute glitter nails, they give us this as well with different colors. I think that's very, very pretty. I love pretty stuff. They also give us more gels, but these are different designs, as you can see. Pink, green, purples, the reds, the yellows, you know. Just all the fun stuff. All the fun stuff. More. Definitely more. And this is, I believe, the different color powders. So not only will we'll be dealing with cool glitter, we have the cool powder to top it off. And the reason why I like all of this cool, pretty, fancy stuff is because it just makes your nails pop. It just makes it look so fancy, and I love fancy stuff. They also give us, we have a buffer, very important. Buff that up. They give you a monomer and a polymer, and this is, I believe, the powder, polymer powder. They give you a clear one. So you have a clear one, and you also have, well, a white one. So we have clear, we have white, we have, this is a pink. So we have clear, white, and pink. Totally awesome. I'm gonna do so many fancy things. I can just see it now. And coming out the box, we have more glitter. Yay! Who doesn't love some glitter? I like the orange one. What else they have? They have a brush, so when you want to wash after we're done. Very, very cool, nice and pink. It's smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be a little bigger. But that's cool. We also have cut the tips. Awesome. I thought it was going to be more sturdy. It's very flimsy. I feel like it can break fast. I'll just try to take good care of it. I don't want to say it feels cheap, because then I'll say you pay for what you get, but in this circumstance, this can definitely slide. This is okay. They give us the acrylic liquid. This is very dangerous. I don't play with this stuff. I normally wear a mask when it's time to get the tips going with the acrylic. So just keep it out of reach of children and professional use only. And guess what? I'm a professional, so hey, listen to your cosmetologist, because I'm right here, baby. Who else? What else? Who else? Yeah. Who else? Who else but me not supposed to listen to? They have more glitter. This looks kind of like sand. Sandy. I gotta check out this material. I don't know what this material is. I don't know if you can see it too good, but it looks chunky. It looks chunky, so we'll see. I probably have to use that really light, because it'll probably, yeah, it looks like it'll definitely get dust, but just go all over the place. They give us some brushes. Now, these brushes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These brushes are really small. I'm not gonna lose them, obviously, because if I lose it, I have another one quickly to replace it. So that's definitely a good thing. The colors are cute, and the brushes should get the job done. So I can't say I don't have enough brushes. One falls, whatever, it gets dirt, whatever. That's what's going on with the brushes, but I like the brushes. The nail glue, definitely used to the strong glue, but this here, I'm gonna try it. I don't know if it's gonna do the job, but if they sent it, so it should do the job. Okay, we also have more glue, so they give you 2 glues. Inside this box, we have, oh, this is cool. I forgot what this is called, but you put the nail in, and the designs on top of the nail. So dope, very important, especially when I want to get crazy and do different things out of the norm. They also have a toe separator, so when it's time to get them pedicures done, definitely put my feet inside of it. Make sure that no paint get all over my feet. We have a nail file, followed by like rhinestone pickup, rhinestone pickuper. We have a nail file, and we also have, yeah, this is a like a tweezer type, but I think it's just like for you to pick up the rhinestones. That's pretty cool. I'll use that. And when I want to do a design, or if I want to, they give us a stick if you want to do like little swirlies and different things. I mean, there's so many things you can do with this little gadget here, but I'll be putting that to work. And of course, they give us the nails so that I can try before I figure out what it is that I want to do. I'll do it on here first. Well, I'll just do it on my nails, but it's just good to always practice on. So a little finger. They give us cuticle oil. Let me open it. Cuticle oil, I think, is very, very, very important. I'm still with nail. Make sure that get all that dirt, the dryness and brittleness. Let me get nice and smooth. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'll be using that. I thought it was going to be a little bigger. Maybe it's a little bigger. And they give you a nice, cute little glass where you're able to put, this is where you put, I'll do a whole tutorial and demonstration on what you use the monomer polymer for, but you put a little bit of your what is this? Oh my god, I'm going crazy. Yeah, you use some of this and you put it inside your chunk, and then you get busy. Don't overflow it, don't put too much, just put a little bit at a time. This is very expensive and you don't want to waste it. Like I said, you just want to always make sure that you're doing what you got to do. So we have the monomer and the polymer, which is what they use to do the tips for acrylic tips, just in case anybody want to get their tips. And I'm a tip girl. I love doing my tips. I'm getting ready to do these over. This is why I bought this kit. So what do we have? And we have another glue. How cool. Last but not least, we have glitter, rhinestones. Rhinestones are a girl's best friend. We love rhinestones. So if you guys don't know, now you know. I run out of these every chance I get, just because I like them so much. So that's it. So that seems to have been it. My box is empty. That's it. Just a little